Hey everybody, so today I was wanting to talk about the Capital One Platinum Mastercard. Actually, I have this as one of my backup cards. Keep it with me at all times in case of an emergency. I love what this card is made out of. It doesn't feel like the flimsy plastic. It's very, very thick, and it feels more like those high-end kind of aluminum cards, but it's not aluminum at all whatsoever. It's also not that bendy plastic either. It does come with the chip, which most cards are coming up with these days because of the new security systems with that chip system. One of the things that I do like about these cards here are that it does have instant purchase notifications. So anytime that you use this card, it gets approved, you get a notification via email or a text message or however you want to set that up. And that way, in case you're out somewhere and you lose it, somebody picks it up, you'll be notified right away if somebody actually uses your card from you. And then you know 100% right off the bat. So it's just another layer of security. Another thing that I like about it is that it has account alerts, so you can set it up whether it's going to be email or whether it's going to be a text, and it lets you know, hey, you have a payment due coming up in X amount of days. And then again, it'll prompt you again, hey, you have another payment due tomorrow. And then it's, hey, you have a payment due today. So you're able to go online really easily and go in and set that up, and to pay that monthly payment, have any kind of a balance left over on your card. Also, keeping in line with the monthly payments, you can have a personalized payment, so you actually get to pick your own monthly due date and your payment method. Whether you can do it old school and send it in as a check, you can do it online, or you can do it all at your local branch, and there's no extra fees for that at all whatsoever. What I did was I have my account hooked up to it, so anytime I need to pay anything on it, I'm literally in and out in seconds. I can go online, I can go pay card, and it says where do you want to pay from, and it goes straight to my bank account. Click it, enter the amount, and then it's done. So that's another thing that I absolutely really love about it. You can set up auto pay if you want. I don't like to do auto pay because I'm always scared that something can happen as far as your card gets hacked or your numbers get stolen and somebody's using your card, and now your auto pay could be, let's say, instead of 25 bucks, it's now going to be $300. And if you don't know that until the end, then you could get a nice surprise with that. However, with the account alerts we were talking about earlier, it kind of avoids that, but that's just me being paranoid. Another thing that I like about this card is that it has 24/7 customer service. They're available 24 hours a day with the number on the back. You can just call them up and get whatever it is that you need taken care of. Capital One, they also have travel, and they also have retail benefits with that as well. You get travel accident insurance. You can transfer your miles if that's what it is that you're using it for. One of the other things that I love about it as far as renting cars is that it has auto rental collision damage waiver. So if you rent a eligible vehicle with this card, you could be covered for damage due to collision or theft instead of having to get the extra insurance once you're at the airport or wherever it is that you're going to be going. There's also no foreign transaction fees. There's a 24-hour travel assist service in case your car is lost or stolen, especially when you're somewhere else in another country. Anyway, so I am 100% extremely happy with the Capital One Platinum Mastercard. I love the way it feels. I love the ease of it. And so yeah, there you go. That's just my take on the Capital One Platinum